So before we start, I want to let you know that I'll be doing Nitro giveaway in the video, so don't skip. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Discord just rolled out Share Nitro, a feature that lets Nitro members gift 2-week trials to their friends. This is a great way to experience the fun of Nitro, like customizing your profile with a cool animated avatar and using tons of awesome custom emojis in chats. If you're a Nitro member, monthly or yearly, you can head over to the Nitro tab in your user settings or the new Nitro button in direct messages. There, you'll see the Share Nitro option. Click it, choose your friends, and that's it. Your friends will receive a message with a link to claim their free trial. There are a few things to keep in mind. Your friend can't have had Nitro recently or claimed another trial. But hey, if they can't receive it this time, there's always next. If you get gifted a Nitro trial, you'll see it in your DMs. Just click the link and claim it within 10 days to unlock all the cool Nitro features for 2 weeks. This is the time when you will get the free Nitro. I am using my new account for Epic Games. I will copy the link and post it in my Discord server's Primo channel. So if you want to claim the free 1-month Nitro, please join my server and claim it. Link will be in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. See you next time.